All right, we've seen a handful of YouTube videos that show using a blower to blow the lint out of the dryer duct. So we're going to hook it up there and blow it with it, keep it, somewhat sealed off with the towel. And we're going to see if it comes all the way out. See if it comes out there. So I'm going to go hook up the blower and we'll see how it goes. I probably should have put a blue tarp down. Didn't think so much stuff would come out, but there's quite a bit of lint that came out of there. It's probably never been done in 20 years.